All right, let's move on. And we've got IELTS Speaking Part 2, and your topic is describe a time when you answered a phone call from someone you didn't know in a public place.
Okay, so
Yes, yes, please.
it was this incident took place about 2 months ago when I was traveling back to my home from my university. I was basically traveling through a metro train, and my friend was also with me. After some time, the journey began. My phone started ringing, and when I noticed, it was a call from an unknown number. Usually, I do not pick such calls because I know that most of the time they were either a prank call or a spam. So at first, I did not pay any heed towards that. But when after receiving almost 10 missed call from the same number, I became anxious and I thought that it could be some emergency or something important. And my friend also told me to pick up the call. So when my phone rang again, I immediately picked up the call. The person on the other side told me that I had won a brand new cell phone in a lucky draw, and the only thing I had to provide is my address so they could deliver it to my home. So at first I became very happy to receive such an expensive cell phone as a gift, but when the person told me that it was their policy of their company that first I had to pay 15,000, I immediately recognized that it was a spam, and I hung up the phone. After that, I discussed the whole thing with my friend, and she told me that I done right thing by doing it, and it is a feeling that I felt very happy that I do not fall victim to such a call, and I also realized that it is very important to be cautious in such matters.
All right, you have spoken for 1 minute 25 seconds. Grammatically, you spoke well and you expressed yourself very well using the past tense, and even your answer was very appropriate according to the topic. So, with such type of speaking, if you brush up your English pronunciation, like the sounds of C as K, T, P, if you pronounce them clearly, you can achieve even a very good bench score. At present, the way you have performed, you may achieve somewhere between 6.5 to 7
Okay,
band for
thank
that,
you.
right? Thank you so much.